Welcome to the next episode of the Design Future Manufacturing series. This time we are going to investigate how Mitsubishi Electric is supporting future manufacturing in terms of drive solutions, particularly in regard of system maintenance. Let's first move to Nagoya Works, the heart of our factory automation division.
The history of Mitsubishi Electric frequency inverters starts in the Nagoya Works. Nagoya is the heart of our factory automation division, which incorporates various product sections such as PLCs, HMIs, servos, and of course frequency inverters. From 1981, when the first inverter called FR-E was manufactured, we are globally recognized as a leader in terms of design, manufacture, and the sales of industrial variable frequency drives. For many years, we have always been known for versatile and extremely reliable drives, working even in the harshest industrial environments. These difficult working conditions create a demand for an advanced drive system which is able to detect faults at the very early stage of development. Our new FR-E800 drive perfectly fits into this role.
Today in our studio we are with Piotr Gacek, product leader for variable frequency drives. Piotr, in previous episode we introduced the new generation FR-E800 inverter, which perfectly fits into the requirements of Industry 4.0. How does it improve the system maintenance aspect of the production lines?
Hello. Generally, in the compact drives market, there was no room for extensive diagnostics. These solutions were reserved for top performance drives that were quite expensive. But this time around, we want to demonstrate that this trend has finally come to an end. And even compact drives can support excessive maintenance thanks to FR-E800. I would like to start with some data that presents the failure rate of our VFD products in recent years. As you can see, over the years we have managed to ship over 27 million inverter units all over the world, and with growing installation base, we successfully reduced the failure rate. Since 2017, our drive's failure rate has been lower than 100 ppm. Moreover, we were one of the first manufacturers that noticed the need for preventive maintenance in the drive system. As in our old, yet extremely popular FR-D700 series, the cooling fan has a free-wire connection, meaning that the rotational speed is constantly monitored and checked for abnormalities. And coming back to your question, FR-E800 series have many new technologies which really improves of the preventive maintenance aspect. Firstly, the drive is ready for a harsh environment thanks to the world's first corrosive gas detection circuit. This allows the inverter to be installed in corrosive environments such as wastewater treatment, the chemical industry, tire production, and battery production. So how does it work? The combined resistance of multiple metal corrosion sensors is measured to detect the level of degree of metal part corrosion caused by harmful gas in the air. It makes it possible to identify signs of inverter damage caused by hydrogen sulfide or other corrosive gases. Equipment downtime will be reduced as the function notifies operators when the production environment needs to be improved.
So FR-E800 is the only drive on the market that can detect the corrosion affecting the control board. As I remember from the previous episode, this drive also supports artificial intelligence.
That's correct. The AI fault diagnosis function is used to identify the cause of an alarm. This function enables the fastest troubleshooting procedure without requiring any special skills, which contributes to downtime reduction. This AI function is developed by MySart, which is Mitsubishi Electric brand of AI technology. AI technology makes it possible to reduce downtime by predicting faults of the inverter or peripheral devices. It allows early prevention or prediction of costly production line breakdowns due to the deep analysis of the operation characteristics. The inverter alarm is analyzed, and the cause of the fault, the details, and suggested actions are displayed in order to avoid such problem in the future.
It looks like a powerful tool to improve the system reliability. What about other functionalities?
FR-E800 constantly monitors the operating status of the motor, like output current and voltage, enabling detection of improper operation of mechanical parts of the machine. When a mechanical fault such as clogging of the filter occurs, the inverter outputs a warning or shuts off the output to prevent system damage. The current detection function can detect cracks in the belt or stiff rotation by checking the motor current and lets the operator know that there is some issue with the conveyor belt. Thanks to the functions such as load characteristics fault detection function, the operator can set the reference level of correct operation, and in the case of some mechanical faults, warnings can be issued or the drive can be stopped automatically to prevent system damage. The speed-torque characteristic is stored while no fault occurs, enabling comparison between the measured data and the stored data. In addition to that, our live diagnosis check functionality has been extended. The operator can quickly check the condition of the main circuit, the control circuit capacitor, fault relay, cooling fan, corrosion sensor, and power module by simply checking on the service life data in a dedicated window. It is also worth mentioning that the design life of the cooling fans and capacitor extends to 10 years.
It seems that the drive can really take care of itself without the need for external components. What about the complexity of machining of all of those functionalities?
Inverter operations can be freely customized using the PLC function in the inverter. This function enables construction of various systems without the use of another controller and, as a result, increasing the reliability of the whole system by reducing the number of components as well as minimizing the cost. Another big factor is the possibility to supply the control circuit power by USB port, which enables fast and convenient commissioning at an office desk without troublesome wiring of main power cables. The FR-E800 series is equipped with more functionalities that help reduce the costly downtimes of production lines and have multiple features for easy diagnostic and drive commissioning. For example, using a mobile application to quickly change the inverter's parameter from some remote installation location, or scanning a QR code to access detailed documentation can be really handy. So to sum up, FR-E800 has a broad spectrum of features that help maintain the healthy state of the machine or production line. This helps reduce the downtime that generates substantial losses and improve the overall efficiency of the system. The drive doesn't only care about its own condition, but also about the mechanical parts around it. All of these features in a small compact inverter, with the new FR-E800 it is possible. Let it take care of your production line. Let it take care of your machine. Let it design future manufacturing.